It's become an annual event here in Great Falls, the Worlds of Work Career Fair at Providence University. Worlds of Work is a career expo, not just a typical job fair. Over 2,000 8th and 10th graders from all over central Montana came down to university to navigate through 4 zones and 16 worlds of industry career clusters to see opportunities that may be in their future.
I think it's really good to for students to get an idea of what they want to do when they're older, and yeah, I think that's really important to know, to have an idea of what everything's about.
Representatives from industry, private businesses, and the government were here to answer questions and display what they do for a living.
I'd love to be an electrician. I'd love to do all that engineering stuff.
I kind of want to go to college for wrestling or track, but I'm not sure yet. And then I was thinking about maybe going into the military, but I'm not sure.
Students found some good inspiration and a few favorite booths.
My favorite one was probably I got to make a commercial back there of you got to pick any object and you can make a commercial with it.
Super fun. Get to learn a lot. As an 8th grader, you don't really know much, so it's super fun.
If you have questions, just ask them. It's really important to know, what you want to do in the future, and yeah, it's really good to be prepared and just see what everything's all about.
Worlds of Work certainly seem to be rather successful, and next year should grow even more. In Great Falls, I'm James Rowland, MTN News.